All right, guys, this is going to be a fun one because I like shortcuts, right? Like, I like tools that make things go faster, and this is one of those shortcuts. It's a little tool that I've been working on, and basically what it is how to use Multi Artboard Photoshop documents, okay? So let's get started. We're going to start off with a never ask me this again. I hate this dialog box. Don't ever. Oh, okay, sorry. All right. We're going to start off with a sermon title here called Soul Winning, Food for Revival. Okay, yeah. And what we need to do is that fun thing where we have to make a bunch of different resolutions for this and save it to as the Subsplash resolutions. So we're going to be able to find this Multi Artboard template as we're going to go into our Creative Cloud files, Destiny Common, and Artwork. And then in here, there's a thing called Template 17 Master Subsplash. There it is. So the first one is super easy because obviously it is the exact same. So we're going to say duplicate layers. We're duplicating into the Subsplash. Boom. There it is. Resize a little bit. Okay, we're done. All right. Now the next part is we're going to start working on this square. So we're going to right click. We're going to duplicate again. This time we're going into the square. Okay, and here we are. Now this one's a little bit more tricky because we've got obviously a different size here. So you got to use some of your creative judgment to make this look good. You don't just want it just to be, you know, a purely where is that layer? I can't find it. That's so crazy. I totally lost it. Rectangle? Nope. Okay, there it is. See, sometimes. Oh, this is what it is. Auto select layer. You are evil. Okay, that's what was going on. All right, so I've got some stuff here. I've got some stuff over here. That auto select layer thing, that is just evil. Okay, there we go. So just, I'm trying to match the look as much as possible, okay? All right, and then I like always using the same source. And so what that means is I'm going to go back up here to Subsplash White. I'm going to take these, I'm going to duplicate these layers. And I'm going to go back in here, but then we're going to go to our banner. Okay. And again, got to use a little bit of creativity on how to make this stuff look good without stretching or without ruining the design. The feel of the design, you still want to try to keep intact as much as possible. And I feel like these little stripe things are kind of the way to keep it looking the same. Okay. All right, that's it. So we've got our designs here. I'm liking this. All right, now all you gotta do is export this. We're going to do File, Export. Well, actually, we need to save because stuff crashes, you know. Soul Winning. Okay. Don't ever show this again. Okay, so now that the Photoshop file is saved, last step, super easy. File, Export, Artboards to Files. And this is the magic right here. Where is it going to be saved? We're just doing desktop. We're going to do Artboard content only. That is important. And uncheck that. Export selected artboards. Include background, yes. Make sure this is saving as a JPEG. I do quality 8. Do not do include artboard name and hit run. And then what you're going to get, once it runs, everything is successful. Should be automatically, look at that. So we've got our master PSD file, and then, well, here we'll just get these three. So we've got our banner, our square, and our wide, just like that. And that is how you use Multi Artboard Photoshop files.